The missing coin. In the vibrant court of Emperor Akbar, Birbal's sharp wit and wisdom were known far and wide. One day, a distraught merchant approached the emperor, seeking justice for a stolen coin. The merchant explained that he had entrusted a valuable gold coin to his friend for safekeeping. However, when he returned to retrieve it, the coin was missing and his friend denied ever receiving it. Emperor Akbar turned to Birbal for a solution. With his keen intellect, Birbal devised a plan to uncover the truth. Birbal summoned the merchant's friend and questioned him closely. Despite his protests of innocence, Birbal remained unconvinced. Then, Birbal proposed a clever test. He placed a large pot of boiling water before the accused and instructed him to retrieve a small coin from the bottom without getting burned. If he succeeded, his innocence would be proven. The accused, confident in his innocence, agreed to the test. However, as he reached into the pot, the boiling water caused him to recoil in pain, admitting his guilt in the process. Birbal's astute judgment and ingenious test had revealed the truth, and justice was served. The merchant's stolen coin was returned, and the culprit faced the consequences of his actions. Emperor Akbar applauded Birbal's wisdom and fairness, reaffirming his trust in his trusted advisor. The tale of Birbal's cleverness spread throughout the kingdom, cementing his reputation as a wise and just counselor in the court of Emperor Akbar.